I salute countryman, countrywoman. As una know no, na una man this, una ekuna man, una ngiman, una bakwere man, una bamenda man. I'm proudly so na me, I be anglophone. I'm proudly anglophone. Mena. Also, na they find wherever una find una self, people the way they come off ekuna for all over the world. I salute una. Muyuka for all over the world, I salute una. Tiko for all over the world, I salute una. Mutengene, Limbe, Boya, My 16, Munya all over the world, I salute una. Munyenge all over the world, Oye, all over the world, I salute una. Ekata all over the world, I salute una. Kumba, Manfe people, Bamenda people, Kumbu people, Jakiri people, Ngi, Abebun, Andek, Ichi, Chinechong, Tinoko, Ouna, I salute una. People for Lisoka, for Liola Boya, for Bakure village, I salute Ouna. Now on a platform this, now for here it happen. We don't tell una say, we follow that election giveaway day for Pobia country. Wait till it happen, a surprise will be, we'll just wait and see. They will not say it will be very, very difficult. We'll get two main subjects for talk about today. We will not say the popular figure for this election we want to take place for part of Cameroon, because you know go for all play. We know through that. Now Issa Chiroma Bakare, Issa Chiroma they make fever, they catch Paul Biya, they catch Paul Biya people. And for the other hand, CPDM people them, Paul Biya party, they provoke Lapiro in memory. All man know say Lapiro de Mbanga. I say all man know say Lapiro de Mbanga no be like CPDM. It no be want anything for doing with Paul Biya because we talk am any day. And the last interview when me I get on with Lapiro we be there for Buffalo for United States. The kind way he coach Paul Biya before he die. He no merit say me, Mr. Jean Kwete. He take Lapiro a music. He go for campaign. He play Lapiro a music. When they will ask the authors right, they go begin talk say no, na be one play and so play and so. How CPDM for all parties they for the well. If he take Lapiro de Mbanga a music, play them for their meeting. I say countryman, ma play amuna yera. Now in this one I play and so forth. Oh no make error like Tara. Na CPDM Jean Kwete, the non-secretary general for CPDM party. Now they go play Lapiro its song for their meeting for Cameroon. No make error. If they know the meaning for this song, say they don't listen the song well. I'm not sure. Say no CPDM man for get courage for go to play. Oh no make error like Tara. Oh no make error like Mbunma. No. Lapiro they talk about Paul Biya situation for Cameroon. And they talk about Yi when the Katika. They talk about Yi. They can't play them for their meeting. They say na Lapiro they provoke. They say they provoke some person. But they provoke themselves, they show and say they be very ridiculous. They show say CPDM again are only ridiculous profiters them when they don't know what they do. Countrywoman say they want past provocation. I think say Lapiro de Mbanga for the play way dinner for the play way they be throw he arch because it toss me the burn his skin, they be put them the burn am so now actually they throw him for inside water. They play way dinner Lapiro de Mbanga. He gonna wake up again like 100 million times. We also be Africans. Man only die forever. I mean say let me say when I imagine Lapiro de Mbanga alive when CPDM they use his song. Jean Kwete they use his song they play am for campaign for Paul Biya 43 years for power. 43 years for power. What he don't do? What if he show about for Cameroon? Nothing. Not in the highest way work I find for Cameroon corruption. The highest thing I can find for Cameroon na corruption, even for school. When another school they call it say Inam no. When I the train administrator of Cameroon. That school, normal person with the country supposed to be president, supposed to don't close that school since long time ago. Because that school are part of the problem we will face for Cameroon. The man, oh no me, ah yankete. They talk for una say una not make error, but una continue for make error. They already put come out power now because they not far away. It go reach. They did come when they come out power. I don't know how to do. They go do. That means all they go take play. Any man go start they run. Cross will go high for some play because they will they be very shameless. Shameless people them, you know if you understand. I say countryman, countrywoman. I will show now another image. Another image, the one Issa Chiroma Bakare. That man has been the biggest liar. Any Anglophone will watch me. Any man when a Bamenda, when a Buya, when a Kumba, he knows Issa Chiroma are the biggest liar. That man went to say Anglophone pro no day. They say they compete for lying at Atangaji. Atangaji because for CRTV begin talk big grammar. No Anglophone because they don't appoint minister. Appoint like say when they appoint minister and a solution for problem people they be facing. Issa Chiroma lies. Issa Chiroma say yes. That means say if he lie, be get broader than Issa Chiroma Bakare. Now they popular. Now they popular for all place. He go the play na so people crowd follow you. They want vote na he. Enough for Yaoundé way be day. Over the weekend for Yaoundé. What's happen? Population where it come out. Even Paul Biya never move that kind of population. Paul Abeya never move that kind of population. That means that for Yaoundé, he go show him muscles. He show him muscles. Say when I say on a drum, are they popular for Garwa, for Marwa, for Yaoundé? I go back to Sam. Are they popular? Kai Yaoundé, are they popular? That means say go can do all go bad. He go bad. People don't already show level way. People don't be na way. They don't want to see Popo. They know they don't hate it. Popo, they mean I'm a big man and they no campaign. I'm a president. Now people are going to do campaign. My way, they want to say me they vote for me be president for the country. They need to do campaign. They need to do campaign. They travel going for Switzerland, come back, take time. Because you know say no be an election. No. You know say no be an election. Other they win, you go to say don't win. For normal circumstance, with transparency, transparent election, probably not win. But if you win election against a woman herself, you know if you win election against a Pekin, you know if you win election for Cameroon because it be very unpopular and they use that force to make people they begin to phobia, not force, not threat. They threaten people. They use administration threatening people for normal circumstance. I'm not sure that people if you win election for Cameroon, you know if you win no transparent election. He lost election 92 from the tell me for interview. You know remember even the other man Aben Zonga no talk up. Say, when they win election, they tip the election gear for Pobia because they simply in that time. Now they remember say, Issa Chiroma on a sick crowd. Another image for so this Issa Chiroma man. When I see the image again, when I will confirm. Say, artists, people they really follow you. People they follow you. People they really go for support you because I need to understand. The man, how go man be popular so the thing pass by power. Now another image in this for Issa Chiroma for so for that side for Yaoundé countryman. Now go say on a son I will confirm. Now it's campaign now na crowd, the pull crowd. Inside Chiroma the pull crowd. Na crowd puller now for election where they take place for Cameroon. Na campaign they go on. So as I don't talk, me, I know be that one way to say need to make choice, need to talk. I know say as an Anglophone election now fast. But for that people they believe for election, the one they believe for the election where they take place, may they do everything for vote all man except Pobia. All person, one way they want to vote now, may they vote all person except Pobia. May they vote Issa Chiroma. I prefer that one. Na devil, but me the own devil small pass that one way devil and way they don't make up people they suffer, people they die, people they run, people they anything happen, they don't get time. You understand no countryman. As I talk, I know they stay long when I come for control na Tori because I want to say may una the watch am and then una share and may go places. Any man you don't watch me right now. The beg say me wanna share them for different forums, them share them for groups, send them for people them so that they subscribe for here. It will make us so that our message will pass through easily.